Hey guys, this is a review of December 13th, 2012. I'm going to try to wrap this up early in the day. I'm done trading for the day. It's early. It's 8:30. But taking the rest of the day off. I'm going to go get some sunshine, and we won't be doing the room tomorrow. We're going into a new contract tomorrow, so I'm going to wait for volume to pick up on it. So anyways, I took a trade. I took a couple trades. I took one in the off session here. News came out, and then I set my stop to break even. It came back, took me out. So by one tick, bummer. And then I took a trade here, and let me explain those. I got to zoom out to explain those, but yeah, let me take my plots off real quick. Oops. And then I'll walk you through those trades. Took some good trades today. They just didn't work out. And so we'll talk about those. Okay. So we have our off session here, and I took this trade at 3:30 this morning. And let me explain why I took that trade. We have a nice trend developing over the last month, and in the overnight it came back. I have this yellow support and resistance line that's plotted over the year, and so we had some confluence. We were at the bottom of this range for the month. We had this nice support line coming right through there, convergence of the two lines. And later in the day, I took another trade based on those. Neither of them worked out. But so this is the premise of why I took these two trades. I took them both right here at this double bottom. So let's zoom back out, zoom back in. We'll take a look at why I took them. So we had that annual trend line, or that monthly trend line coming up right through here. Actually, it basically touched right at the bottom of these two bars. And I had the support line. And I got a good bull signal here. So I took an order, one tick above that. News came out, and I was up 250 bucks. I had only one contract. Since it's overnight, it was a little risky for me to double up on it. So I only had one contract on it. Came up, I was up 5 points or so. And came back down. I was looking to hold it because I was really thinking it would make it to the other end of the trading rate, or trading trend, or bull trend, excuse me, and make its way back up there. It didn't. Pulled my tide in a little too stop, and it stopped me out right at break even, which was a bummer because it pulled right back up, created a double top, which would have been an ideal place to take it out. So probably would have got out somewhere right here, but I didn't. I broke even on that sucker. Bummed out. And the market came up, went back down. Looks like we're in trading range today. Came back to test the day's low, created a double bottom right here. And that monthly trend line that I showed you earlier was coming right through here. Had the support line right here. Had a good bull signal pop through it. And I took it right here, right off this bar. This one I got filled. So this is my signal bar. My entry bar was here at 25 even. Had my stop 2 points down. Thought I was safe. You know, it would have been better to have my stop a little bit bigger, but I don't ever risk more than 2 points, just for safety reasons. And shot down and took me out by a tick. Son of a bitch. And it looks like it's going to do exactly what we were expecting it to do. But I'm not in the game anymore. So that totally blows. And there it goes. Damn it. Oh, bummer. So, you know, yesterday I thought I learned a lesson of managing my trades better. But I didn't. I got stopped out by a tick on my earlier trade and lost 250 bucks on one contract. And then got stopped out by the tick, one tick over my stop loss on this trade here. and now it's firing off. And I had 2 contracts on this one because we had a lot of things going for this trade. We had that monthly trend line coming right through here, passed right through these 2 bars. We have this support line coming through here, and it closed above it. We have a double bottom right here, and man, it was just like yesterday. It was the perfect trade setup, and made it even more perfect that it came back and tested it again, popped through, trapped a few people like myself, and came back and fired off, and there it goes. So perfect trade. We read both of these trades perfectly. We just didn't manage them right. So we're out of the market, out $250 plus commissions. Total bummer. But so that's the day. Not going to sweat it. There's always going to be Monday. So like I said, for those who want to join the room, we're not doing it tomorrow. For some strange reason, if I change my mind, I'll send out an invitation and we'll go ahead and do it. But chances are I probably won't be doing it tomorrow. So anyways, so that's today. Thanks for all those who participated. Back at it again Monday morning. And good luck trading today. Hopefully you make some money. Till then, bye.